Hi, to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your POCO X7, firstly let's unlock the phone. Now open its settings and here choose Bluetooth. So I misclicked, let's choose Bluetooth. And now just try to soft reset Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher to turn it off. Then tap again to turn on, and after that check whether your device connects or not. If not, then let's go back here, choose more connectivity options, scroll down and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So here you can tap this arrow and reset all of the network settings. So after that, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi, you will need to enable mobile data again, and then you will need to reconnect all of your Bluetooth devices. So it will basically reset everything back to their defaults. And this will help to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So tap the arrow, here enter your password. In my case, I'm gonna draw a pattern and choose to reset. After that, wait for a couple of seconds and now network settings have been reset. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.